Hey guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a Crypto.com Visa card, their physical card. One of the big questions I was wondering, which isn't in the FAQ, is how long does it actually take from when it's issued to when it arrives? You know, a rough idea of how long it takes. Because with other, things like this, I had a DigiGold thing. That card, it's like within a week or something it turns up. But with this, it's taken about 6 weeks to arrive. That's including over Christmas. This was ordered at the end of November, and it's arrived. What is it now? First week in January-ish. So about 6 weeks. So with Christmas, you're looking at about 5 weeks probably. In the UK, obviously, that's going to change. Maybe if they get more demand, they'll put more production in or whatever. But anyway, overall, the reason why I've got a Crypto.com account really is because of the cashback you get with the Visa debit card. I've been using that straight up. So as soon as you sign up, as soon as your address is verified, your physical address, the virtual Visa card is available for you to use straight away for online purchases. And with this one, I've actually staked £3,000 worth of CRO, which obviously I think I came in when it was like 53p, and it's now 37p. So my £3,000 is I think it's like £2,000. So I'm I'm £1,000 down so far. Great, but the thing, as far as I'm aware, you have to keep it in for 6 months to get your free Spotify, Netflix and stuff. I mean, you probably know all this stuff anyway. So yeah, I'll probably do that, just leave it in there. It depends on the value, I suppose. If I take it out, you still get I think it's like 1.5% cashback, because this is the indigo blue one. So I'm now going to unbox it on here, so it's like that. Pops out like that. You got the empty thing. In here we got a sheaf of paper. So this is from Chris Marski, co-founder and CEO of Crypto.com. I don't know if you can actually see that there. You can freeze frame it if you can be bothered. Which says, "It's my pleasure to present you with your Crypto.com Visa card. You can activate and manage it through the Crypto.com app. Our 24/7 in-app live chat support will be able to answer any questions you may have. The Crypto.com Visa card is often the first step into an exciting new world. We hope it also proves to be blah blah blah. After all, it's a basic human right, and any blockchain." Yeah. The Crypto.com Visa card is often the first step into an exciting new world. We hope it also proves to be the first step for you to take back control of your money, data, and identity. After all, it's a basic human right, and only blockchain technology can truly deliver on that promise. A simple ask: if our product works for you, tell your friends. Nothing helps driving adoption better than real-world utility. Thank you for joining us on this journey, Chris Marzaklek, weird name, co-founder and CEO of Crypto.com. This is now empty. So here we have a little, you remember the TV show Blockbusters? I'll have an E, please, Bob. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We got a little dimple there to pull out. So let's pull it out together. Oh. So we have like a little dimple there. So let's pull it out together. I don't know whether my financial information is on here or not. It is a little bit. There we go. You just show it to you like that. So that doesn't come out, so it's like that. Pretty cool. So it's like a so shiny. Oh, it's got a nice, it's a bit like yeah, that's got like a nice fat texture to it. Really nice. Wow, this is worth the £3 grand. Probably not. It all adds up. 3% cashback on this. Oh, there's that is some weight to that. Yeah, straight away you notice the weight. Don't you see that? Metal. Give me my money, bitch. Nice. It's the thing I don't like. It's got my middle name on there as well. What you do is you go onto the app. So the number for the Visa card is at the back of it. The full-on number. So the kind of the boring stuff is at the back, and then the boring stuff is my name on there. So apart from your name, that's what it's got on the front. It's more like a purpley, ultraviolet type vibe going on. But yeah, it's better than it's kind of like my preferred colour, other than the black one. But you need be a multi-millionaire for that one. But anyway, also my affiliate link, referral link thing. If you sign up using that, you get $25, and I get $25, about 20 quid, in CRO token. It's also very easy to use. You just when you amass cashback, you just periodically can just sell your CRO token into your fiat wallet, and then you can just put that either on your Visa, top up your Visa debit card with the CRO. And also I have a bit of a cold at the moment, so a little bit locked up, so thanks for watching.